Lupo were interested in, as a company, in experimenting with the form of theater. We're fundamentally a theater company, but we've delved into new technology, collaborating with conflict photographers and different types of people outside of our discipline. And so with Red Phone, we wanted to look at the audience's relationship to the playwright. We came up with this idea of asking playwrights to write conversations for regular folk to have with each other, and that's exactly what we did. So we've equipped 2 phone booths with teleprompters, and we've asked prominent playwrights and writers, not just playwrights but writers, to write dialogues about things, important conversations, urgent conversations they feel people should be having. They created these 6 to 8 minute dialogues for audience members to have with each other. And I think one of the really interesting things that we found about it is that not only was it interesting to peek inside the mind of the playwright, but it also became an experience where audience members were performing. This is more like the audience participation equivalent of singing in the shower.
As technology director, it might be obvious, I worked on the technology involved in the Red Phone. There are 2 phone booths, and each of them have a red phone in them and a teleprompter, which is a screen that prompts the listener, the audience member or participant with the script that has been written by the 6 authors. So I've developed a software that sends the prompts to each screen, and then the telephone is simply a wireless mic and wireless headphone type thing. We discovered that we really needed an operator to move and push the conversation forward, not just because everyone reads at a different pace, but also because a natural conversation kind of needs to be driven, people talking over each other a little bit or having pauses. But with the operator, we're able to give the participant just a seemingly natural conversation that these writers have created.
I think because we're known to be a theater company, that operator actually is what creates the liveness of the experience, right? There's that human operator that you might not know, but you've got an experience where you're on the phone and you're wondering what's next in the dialogue, what's next, what are we going to be talking about, what am I going to be saying. There's something about that, and also having people so present and ready to read whatever's on the prompter in whatever experience that they're having with that. Each dialogue is very unique to who each person is and to what they think is urgent and what is funny, what is emotional, what is a lot of heart, what is a lot of drive, all the variations of what can be out there for people to experience are in the different conversations.
I've been getting paid $1,000 a month, if not more.